Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for the holidays, especially for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and that is because it is a really nice roaster. So this is by Oster, and it is an 18 quart roaster. Obviously, you can use this year round, has multiple purposes for it. But why I love this thing is, first off, it can, on the low end, go from 150 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with 13 settings. Everything is easy to control here. You can even have a keep warm section, so if a meal is ready or you're making a huge batch of queso or something like that, you can keep it nice and warm for long periods of time, which is just another great feature of it. Now, another important thing, if you are roasting like a turkey in this, like we do every Thanksgiving, one of the nice things is the way the lid is designed. It is a metal lid that is self-basting. So as that moisture and steam and juices, it hits that lid and then falls back on and keeps your turkey from drying out, which is obviously very, very important. Now, as far as a maximum size of turkey, what this can hold is up to a 22-pound bird. So that is a nice size turkey. And of course, it also comes with this nice, easy to remove little pan here, so that makes it easy to remove out of the dish. And then also the whole entire part itself can lift out. So if you have this outside roasting, you can easily pull the whole container inside. And then when it's time to remove the turkey itself, it comes on the little tray here that is also easy to remove. Now, as far as cleaning, because it comes out, it's very, very easy to clean, especially if you have a farmer style sink or just a larger sink. You can easily just soak the whole pan, get rid of all that kind of stuff that sticks to the side, which makes it, to me at least, a lot easier to clean itself. But overall, like I said, if you are looking to roast a turkey, maybe you're looking to do a ham, maybe you're looking to use this as an oversized casserole dish or an oversized like queso dip for a big sporting event or party, you can do that. Very, very simple to utilize and works very, very well. So if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great roaster that's a nice size, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.